Hey my friends, David from Jardine Auto Works here. Just wanted to give you a rundown on what we've been up to on the 77 two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive conversion. Frame has been rolled in, the engine's been installed, the fuel lines to the fuel pump have been installed, and turbo 400 with the 208 transfer case has been installed. We installed the cross member, the mount slid right in. We swapped out the diesel tanks for the gas tanks. So these came out of the 77. We're working on putting in the sending units, both sides. That side has been taken apart. In another video I'm going to show how to take out the fuel sending unit out of one of these. Here's the diesel tanks on the floor. We're anxious to get the cab on this frame. We're almost there. We're going to see if we can't roll this frame underneath that cab this weekend.